So I told my father that I want to enter politics, and he said the choice is yours. And his best friends then were late Balasaheb Thackeray. I was
why do you-
told to fight Mumba Devi, which is the hardest constituency in Mumbai.
Why would you say that?
All
the big players from the other side.
No, 170,000 Muslims. Not that that's a bad or this thing, but they
But you can play the
intrinsically
Muslim
vote.
card,
Yeah,
half
but
of-
they intrinsically do not vote for Shiv Sena and BJP.
Okay,
I'm a big fan of Eknathji Shinde. Do you know the work he's done? Do you know his mass appeal? I am going to invite you once, Cyrus, to just watch how public adore this mass leader. So I'm very happy that in this municipal corporation election, Shiv Sena has 90 seats in Mumbai, of which 63 are women
What are you
candidates.
saying?
That the two professions which are very, very tiring and very, very taxing. One is the film career, because people don't realize what a film star puts into being what
The
he
long
or she
hours,
is.
yeah.
But even harder than that is politics.
Special episode with my good friend, classmate. We were in class together in college in St. Xavier's. Look at the difference in Karma. She went on to become all kinds of things. Fashion guru. Is that guru is the right word for females also? I don't want trouble.
I'm not a guru.
Fashion nesta, fashion leader, brand, and of course now a full-fledged politician. I think first she was like a spokesperson, but now she's right in the eye of the... In fact, right now while we're speaking, she's in the middle of elections, has been out all day campaigning, doing media, and the schedule I've heard is that she'll go door to door all across the city of Mumbai, her area, to campaign between 6 and midnight.
Yes, Cyrus Brocha.
Why would you do that to yourself? I'm asleep at 8:30. We came from the same college. Look at our lives.
The difference is in college, whether you were outside or inside the class, that's what mattered.
That's not fair, Shaina. We both like politics. You were a little better than I was, no doubt about that. But
And we had Professor Matthew, who
Matthews,
used to
yes.
teach us political science, and little did he realize that I would join the Bharatiya Janata Party and now to the Shiv Sena.
Yeah, Shiv Sena
And
Part 2. the second.
21
Yeah.
years down, still at it.
Yeah, but of course you come from legacy, your famous dad, so it's not like they didn't know that. So there's always a chance you would get into it, but we didn't.
But everyone who knew me from childhood knew that I would enter
you would
politics
you would
first.
enter
If at all,
politics.
fashion was the faux pas. In fact, they thought
you
that
made
I
lots
would
of
never.
money. How
I
dare you?
made. That's exactly what I'm saying. I made my name, fame, money at a very young age after St Xavier's College in fashion, and studied political science at St Xavier's, and then got.
So let's go back to that, and then we'll come to the whole campaign,
Yeah.
with the conversation. By the way, she doesn't have time. She's go to next media house, the next media house. I won't drop names, but it doesn't stop. But people should know how tough it is for a politician.
Yes,
also,
it
they
is.
don't know actually the physicality of it, because you also have to be charming.
Yes.
You have to be friendly,
and you have to be nice to
sociable,
people, and you have to listen to all their
listen to all the problems and give solutions
and solve it.
Yeah. So I would think it's a thankless job, honestly, because everybody's groaning and moaning. Who's happy in any constituency?
Yeah.
We'll come to that. Let's go back a bit. So you started with the fashion
Yes.
thingy, and so what was going on in your mind about politics at that point? Your dad
So
was still sort of
all
active?
my life,
Yeah.
even from my Queen Mary school days, I was always the best debater, public speaking. Put me in front of 50,000 people, say speak in Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, English. I could speak all
Emche.
language. Emche. That's the
a
Parsi
great-
dialect.
Yeah. You're correcting the dialect
Kem
immediately.
cho majama fine is the Bora way of saying
Baddu
it.
fit fine, Baddu fit fine.
Ne, but do fit fine. And the
Agal
normal
pachal
way
barabar.
of saying it
If you want to be
is
vulgar, yeah.
Kem chota mein?
Uh,
That's the
I'm
normal
doing a
way.
Gujarati lesson now. But I'll vote for her anyway. It's all fine.
No.
But there's a great advantage being a linguist. And also
I
being a
think it
South
is.
Mumbaiker where we are very so westernized.
But I speak Marathi very, very well.
That's what I'm saying. My Maharashtrian friends don't speak Marathi well. You know, it's that
Kunal
bad.
Vijayakar needs a
He
class
needs
or
a- he needs a
two.
lit- he's okay. He's okay.
He's okay.
He gets into this guttural mode to get away with it. But yeah, but he's not.
Jevate-
He's not Pula Deshpande. Let's put it that way. Yeah.
But when he sees a cop, he starts.
Yeah.
Sahib, mala sanga.
No, some of them recognize him, and also he loves that. I think
Yeah,
because he thinks
yeah.
he's a cop then himself.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, let's get back to your
okay,
story.
let's start. So basically, when I was 18, I started my fashion career, and that happened by default because my mother wasn't well. And after St. Xavier's College, instead of faffing around, I just went there and started designing some things. And little did I know that I have this magic in my hand to drape the sari in 54 ways, which is God given, and I thank God for it.
Drape the sari in 54 ways. Is this just a
Yes.
number you're throwing out?
No,
Really?
I actually.
Sari lao!
Sari lao, abhi
Ek aur
lao.
sari lao. Let's see if ma'am is telling the truth. 54
course.
ways.
And I
Ab
can do
tak
it in
55.
No, and honestly, Cyrus, I didn't even realize that I had that talent. And when I started, I did very well. And you're right, I give a lot of respect because I got my name, fame, money in fashion. And I always used to say that fashion is my profession and politics is my passion.
But you weren't doing any
for-
politics at that point.
No,
You
but
were
I was doing a
fully-
lot of NGO work. If you remember back in college, even we ran that NGO with Professor Sam,
what was
which
it?
was
Remind
for
me.
drugs.
It was college, so I guess
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
the
yeah.
NGO to
It
go
was-
with.
it
Yeah.
was,
Makes sense. Don't laugh.
It was no, and we ran Forum Against Drugs and AIDS. Then my father's I Love Mumbai, Mumbai
Oh, that was a
Mansi
huge
Latke,
campaign, yeah.
and Giants Welfare Foundation. So I was always driven. And in fact, when I was dating my husband, he always knew that politics is going to come at some time. So get ready for it. Got married very young, had a love marriage. 22, I was engaged. 23, married. 27,
But did you
my
go with
daughter
your
was-
illustrious dad, Nana? Did you go with him to functions and things like that? Were you being groomed?
Absolutely, absolutely. So that's why I'm giving you the background, because after my daughter was born and I continued to work, I made my name, fame, money in fashion. And somewhere down the line, I thought the time is right. So I told my father that I want to enter politics. And he said, the choice is yours. And his best friends then were late Balasaheb Thackeray. Even he was very friendly with Sharad Pawar. He was
Did-
very
did you know
friendly
him
with lots of
personally?
people. Yes, very well.
Could
and
you-
he used
how-
to call me China. China
as a joke.
as a
Yeah,
joke,
yeah.
because my name is China,
Yeah.
and he used to call me China. And I remember whenever he'd come home, he'd make these cartoons for me. He took my mom and me with Meena Thai to Balasaheb. He had a lovely place in Karjat, and we used to go to Balaji Tambe, who was a great Ayurvedic doctor, and he took us. He was a wonderful man. Our dogs used to change homes. Like we had a Dalmatian
overs.
dog.
Dog
Yeah,
overs.
we had a Dalmatian dog called Caesar, and nobody knows that that dog was so aggressive that my father called Balasaheb and he said, send him to me. And that dog, our Dalmatian, left our house and went to Balasaheb's house. So there were friendships
For-
like
for
that.
training?
No, to stay. I mean,
But he was good with Balasaheb.
Obviously,
The
I
behavior
think
was
that-
fine.
Yeah, so Caesar was also a connecting point with us, and our families went. I mean, right from my engagement, marriage, he was there as a family member. And look at how destiny is. So my father gave me the option of choosing which party I wanted to go to. I went to the Congress party office. They didn't answer one question. I went to all the.
Wasn't he close to the Congress?
My father was secular. He was never involved in active politics. He was with the Swatantra Party back in the day with Meenu Masani and.
He was a sheriff.
Yes, he
of
was a
Mumbai,
sheriff
which is a
of
different
Mumbai.
sort of title. But
Yes, but he was the only sheriff who was repeated over and over
Correct.
again.
And it's a
really
non-aligned,
made it-
it's a
yes,
non-aligned-
and he made a mark, so that is true.
He's the only sheriff people remember.
Yes.
To be not to disrespect
Yes.
other sheriffs.
And my
but-
father's banners were, of
Yeah,
course.
of course, at the Air
and
India building
still are,
turn,
Still
yeah.
are, still are.
Yeah. You do them now?
My brother, Akshay,
Okay, yeah.
he writes them and we all contribute towards it and we continue to keep that movement going. Having said that, I think that the decision was left up to me. And I was very impressed back in the day with LK Advani, I still am, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And I went to the BJP office and I asked about abrogation of 370 Uniform Civil Code.
Well before anything happened.
Yes, Uniform Civil Code, what Hindutva meant. is
Uniform
it-
Civil Code is a must. We'll talk
all
about
of it
if
is
we
a
have time,
must.
yeah.
And Article 370, and then I spoke about what does Hindutva mean, and they said
What does Hindutva
justice to all and appeasement to none, and I actually believe it.
Justice
I
to
come from a family where my mother's a Bora Muslim.
Yeah.
My father's a Rajput from Saurashtra. I
Yeah.
say you're Bora. No? I thought you were.
No,
okay.
no.
Um,
Everyone with a beard isn't the same.
no.
Yeah. He's very much Maharashtrian. Big
Karmantar.
Balasaheb fan. Balasaheb fan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
तर आपण
He's
चर्चा
blush-
करू नंतर.
He's blushing. Just give her your vote, others will be trouble later.
धनुष्यबाण,
But he's
धनुष्यबाण.
not South.
Okay.
So I don't know. Where are you? Which area?
Okay.
अंधेरी.
चालेल तिथे पण आहे
She'll
धनुष्य.
tell you who to vote for.
हो. आणि त्यानंतर and my mother is I am so used to speaking in
It's
Marathi
fabulous.
now.
What a gift this is. I feel so jealous. I wish I could switch languages like this.
And my mother, but when I entered politics, I didn't know all languages. By the way,
Then how
I
did you
used
pick up
to
the
know-
language later?
I learned.
I don't believe that. But it's
I
not
swear.
possible. The brain sort of you learn
Functions.
language when you're
you
young.
learn language, but the diction.
See,
comes
Gujarati
with
English you knew.
practice.
So that
and Hindi. Hindi in school.
was South Bombay
But
Hindi.
Marathi, I was trained in school, but I didn't speak as much as I did
But you seem
now.
to be speaking very
now
confidently
I do.
now.
Now I do.
Could you do a speech in Marathi? Like,
हो नक्कीच.
no issue? Like
चालू करू
public
का?
speaking?
आता चालू
काय
करू?
बोलतो? हां.
बोलतो नाही.
काय बोलतोय?
हे आहे दक्षिण मुंबईचं स्लँग.
South Mumbai is where languages come to die.
So then
You bring your language, we kill it. Huh.
So then what happened is I was very impressed with
Just
BJP.
rewind a bit. So Congress did not
Answer any questions. I went to the office.
but they knew who you were, who your
no,
dad
no,
was.
I was just
You just went like one
to
girl
a
and-
preliminary to say that I'm interested. So I joined the
So
BJP.
your lesson
with-
here is you have to use your influence.
No, that's not true.
Huh.
I think you have to be interested to engage youngsters and get them in your fold, which BJP was. So I joined the party with 250 professionals, and I remember my first public interaction with the press. Gopinath Munde and Pramod Mahajan then
Yeah.
were very impressed with the way I spoke, and they said, "Hyanna tar election madhe," and I fought from this very constituency where we're sitting, Bandra West, against Baba Siddiqui, and
Ooh.
everyone said they voted for me, clean, clear, educated, cosmopolitan, female, all of that, and cut to voting percentage below 41%, slum vote bank politics, and I lost miserably. And I said,
But he was also been there for a long time.
No, but forget that. And I realized the hard way that people only in your party give you a constituency where they want you to lose, or they don't want you to do well, or it's tokenism to a
What
woman.
are you saying?
And you learn it on the way. Anyway,
So you were given the toughest one.
the toughest one.
Who's
And I was given
responsible
the
for
toughest
this?
one again.
Get me my phone.
Yeah.
Who's
And then I was given the
decides this?
toughest
it
one.
can't be Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Who decides this?
Let's not get into that. Anyway, but
Can you just tell me
2024.
what person is in charge of who? There's got to be somebody who's like the manager, no?
No, but then let me finish the story because we
Okay.
won't finish in
I
40
like the
minutes.
gossip, yeah.
You like the gossip.
Okay.
And then they almost dismissed me to say, "Arey, ye to sari pehnati hai,
Correct.
isko rajniti ke bare mein kya pata?" And I felt like saying, "Shut up! I'm going to give it to you, and I'm
Is
going
this
to
like
give
because
it
it's a
good."
male thing?
It is a very male-dominated space also. I continued to work, became the secretary of Mumbai, became the spokesperson, went into the national executive of the
You
party.
also became the most
became
popular
the
face on TV for
treasurer.
them, weren't
Yes,
you?
and
You were
national
on every channel,
spokesperson.
always.
Yes.
Whatever mistakes were there, you were there to clean it up.
Yeah. And I had a great working relationship with, I had a lot of respect for Prime Minister Modi, who I didn't know then. And
Who
I
was
went to
Chief Minister
Gujarat. He was Gujarat CM, and I
Yeah.
went to Gujarat campaign there to work very closely with Arun Jaitley. So learnt a lot. And the good thing about BJP is they teach you a lot of organizational skill. Cut to, I was to fight elections. Every time my name would go for something or the other, it would get cut, and it got very frustrating. Having said that, I got a great opportunity because I was associated with Eknathji Shinde and Dr. Shrikant Shinde, and he said that you should consider fighting. And I was
Oh, so they came to you.
originally I was going to fight Worli constituency, assembly constituency, and then again there was some politics, but we won't get into all of that. But I was
why do you-
told to fight Mumba Devi, which is the hardest constituency in Mumbai.
Why would you say that?
One
the big
lakh-
players from the other
No, 1,70,000 Muslims. Not that that's a bad or this thing, but they
But you can play the
intrinsically
Muslim
vote.
card,
Yeah,
half
but
of-
they intrinsically do not vote for Shiv Sena, BJP,
okay, that way.
and the Mahayuti. Second, Bhendi Bazaar, Kamatipura, all these areas which are highly congested, zero development, zero infrastructure. And it's probably, unfortunately, I hate to say it, but probably the most backward constituency in Mumbai today because there really hasn't been any development. Having said that, I took on that challenge, Cyrus, because I wanted to prove to my party, my leadership, Eknathji Shinde, that I'm not some weak candidate and I'm somebody who's strong. So I used to get down and fight like a tigress through the day, going through the gully, nukkads, getting down in Kamatipura and all, where people would not even go down. I would go down and hug people. I'll send you some visuals of our campaign so you'll know.
Why would people not go down?
Because they felt it wasn't
Dangerous.
very clean. No, not clean. Very unhygienic. A lot of issues there when it comes to garbage, when it comes to, people who have been to the area. Mumba Devi, don't you go there during
when I was
Ramzan time?
when I was a young man.
to
Let's not talk about it.
have,
See, he's laughing from behind. Sala. Chup kar. It's a serious interview. Yeah.
And as destiny would have, I got the highest votes BJP Shiv Sena ever got in its history. So I proved again to all the loudmouths that don't dismiss me. And there were certain people in the Ubata Sena who called me imported mal. हमें original mal चाहिए, imported mal नहीं चाहिए. And that became a big story on women's dignity as well as how you typecast. So I said, आप 20 साल में मेरे काम के बारे में कोई भी सवाल उठाइए, लेकिन मुझे माल मत बुलाइए. And
Yeah.
women
I
resonated
guess abuse
with it.
is where you go to when you have nothing else to say, right? It's almost like they've lost. Then
But
people
I
turn
have
to
to
abuse.
give it.
Yeah.
The Honorable Prime Minister mentioned in his speech कि मेरी बहन जो मुंबा देवी से खड़ी है, कैसे
Really?
गलत शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया. Everyone who stood up for me, thank you to all of them, and thank you to all the voters, because they realized that here somebody is come into our area, really wants to do some good work, and look at the way they're dismissing her. So it was very unfortunate that Arvind Sawant made that comment. He's from
No,
Ubata
we all
Sena.
know he's from my
Yeah.
side of town.
Yeah. And
But which
it
brings us to a
was-
slightly difficult question to ask you. And remember, I'm your friend and supporter, so I'm not trying to cause trouble. But why did you choose? You said that they approached you, but why did you choose the Shinde faction over the other faction?
Oh, I'm a big fan of Eknathji Shinde. Do you know the work he's done? Do you know his mass appeal? I am going to invite you once, Cyrus, to just watch how public adore this mass leader.
Yeah.
And what has he done? People only know the Ladki Behan Yojana, and they all think that, oh, it's because, you know,
That's what
1500
they
has
say.
been given to
That-
their
that
account.
was
and
the
all. No.
ace in
If
the
it is
hole.
a patient stuck in Jalgaon, he will bring them to Mumbai and make sure their entire treatment is taken care of. If there are physically challenged in Thane, who need better care administration, it will be funded by Dr. Shrikant
So he's a man who
Foundation.
walks the walk and talks the talk.
He's a man who actually walks the talk and 24/7. Last night we campaigned with him. It was amazing to see how he respects everyone. Whether it's a senior citizen who comes and hugs him, or whether it's somebody waiting there to say, आमचे पत्र घ्या आणि आम्हाला घर द्या. You know, this whole talk about Marathi Manus, they've done nothing for the Marathi Manus. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. What he has done in Ramabai Nagar, 17,000 homes for slum dwellers. BDD Chaul, he has got the Marathi Manus back into Mumbai who had actually fled and gone. Girni Kamgars, the mill workers, it was an appalling situation. He has worked tirelessly for everyone. Somebody is waiting with a paper, somebody is waiting for an admission. Everybody he meets, he embraces, and it's almost like you're seeing a Hindi movie from the South. MGR, NTR, that kind of a cult.
Can I don't know, I don't want to get into trouble, but you see, I live in Malba. I have a small complaint.
Yeah, his house.
Yeah. Every time the supporters come, they block everything. They park in the wrong way. They come up the one ways. And all the guys, I say, kya hua, Shinde saab ka chalu ho gaya. And so that's the one thing. Can we request them all to move to Nalasopara? I have got a lovely place there. Is it possible for all the politicians, not just the Shinde faction, all of them can then, they get more space.
Can we request you to also give us a patra, आणि ते पत्र आम्ही नक्कीच पाठवणार. परंतु no, that's just joking around. No, I do understand that. Yeah, but look at the love and support. I mean, people coming from Sholapur, Dharashiv, Kolhapur, all
That also
over
shows. It
Jalgaon.
also shows how popular
It
he
shows
is.
the popularity, and his doors are open to all. What does that say about the person?
I remember that
Do you know
swearing
the
in ceremony in the
people-
Azad Maidan, he got the biggest raw,
No,
and that's like a neutral crowd. It's like a mixed
Yeah.
crowd of people when they did the
And
swearing.
you know
in.
the people who came from all over, and they come every day, they come with that ashwasan ki हे आमचे साहेब आहे, हे एकनाथजी नक्कीच
you're
करणार.
saying-
And that's why he calls himself dedicated to the common man.
So he's got that connect, is what you're saying.
Total
Everybody
connect.
can't get that connect.
Total
But did they never reach out to you, UBT?
No, and I wouldn't reach out either.
That's
I'm
fair,
very
but-
happy to be with Eknathji because he has a vision. I mean, he's a hard-working leader who's on ground. If you look at the kind of infrastructure today, you talk about South Mumbai. I mean, we're living in bliss. Look at the coastal road. Look at the
True.
Atal Setu.
My
Look at
God. I love the coastal
the
road.
sea link. Look at the connectivity from Bandra to Versova to Dahisar. And it's going to be a full loop all over. By 2030, this city will be the most decongested city. Eastern Expressway, Western Expressway, all. The metro, where these people had their false ego and just stall. Are, trees are being felled, stall. Are 411 kilometers. This is going to be the largest network, north to south, east to west, and connecting with such speed. Look at the carbon emissions which are being reduced. Look at pollution is such a big issue
No,
today.
so what you're saying,
Cyrus.
I should not migrate to New Zealand.
No,
My
you
plan
should
for
not.
2027, guys, cancel
Yeah.
visa revoke. I don't want it. It's done.
You should not.
It's all good. No congestion. Congestion is huge. For the elite, these are bigger problems also. No,
Yes.
too many people. Only rich people say too many people. We understand. If we go up the classes, you suddenly know where you are.
And you'll be able to go to the race course where there's a 300-acre open green lung,
yeah.
which is going to be better than Central Park and open to all.
Yeah. Wow. Is that really going to happen?
Absolutely, you will see
Because
it.
I know they have plans,
No,
but
you
sometimes
will see it.
we were told Shanghai in the 80s or 90s, and the Shanghai never
Tell
happened.
me, did you
Yeah.
ever expect this kind of development at this speed?
No,
This team of Eknathji Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis, and I have to give it to both of them,
Hmm.
collectively have worked tirelessly, whether it's housing, whether it's infrastructure, whether it's better healthcare. What are the things that people want today? As a woman, the most important thing is a toilet. I mean, there's a whole BMC, there's a whole mission to ensure that whether it's your bus stops, whether it's railway stations, wherever, we must have enough
But even for
clean
men, no?
toilets.
We don't have enough toilets on highways and things like that. I
Yeah,
think if they
yeah.
could just figure out a way.
Yeah.
We went to Gurgaon the other day and they were telling us about how in the cold they want to pee and there's no place to pee.
Yeah.
And it's a different city and all that. But I think toilet is an issue. People are not taking it as seriously as they should.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we have to take a break. Speaking of toilet, I'll quickly go and pee and then we'll come back because Shaina only has so much time. It's not my fault. We would have done a little longer. But
No, I will.
you're in the
I'm happy.
middle of a campaign and obviously you don't even look tired.
That's the nasha.
No, but we've been doing this.
Just joking.
Okay, now see, you're saying everything. I'm actually trying to protect you as much as I can here. We go back a long way. It's fine. Plus, we know our families. I mean,
Yes,
your
my
uncle
father.
was very close to my family.
Yes.
Not
Olga
dead.
Tellis.
Olga, all that. Mota uncle, everything.
Yes.
So we have a lot of. It's like nepotism.
And our children.
And our children,
So the
same
same
school.
school.
Same school. See, never mentioned my wife. Take a break.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
All right, back here with Shaina. Should we go with Shaina NC only? Is that still the...
As you like.
No, I'm not sure. Are your avatar in politics? In avatar?
So can I tell you why I made this name? Because
the
in
fashion.
school everyone told me, "Arey, ye to Nana Chudasma ki beti
Yeah, I know.
hai." Everyone, she's Nana Chudasma's daughter, and I was so fed up of.
I was the one when you came to college who told all the other people this is Nana Chudasama's daughter.
And I changed
Yeah.
it to Shaina NC when I launched the brand,
yeah.
and it did so well that then that brand name just continued,
What
and
is-
everyone
what does the
started
Aadhaar
calling
card
me
say?
Shaina Chudasma Munot. My husband's a Marwadi gent from
Finally, he got
Rajasthan.
into the business. We don't be overshadowed by the dad, for God's sake.
No, but I have to tell you, in all honesty, whatever I am today, more than my parents, is my husband.
Yeah.
He is the most supportive.
But he doesn't get intimidated.
Not
is a
at
bad
all.
word.
He's so confident
you know,
in his own space
yeah.
and doesn't want to be in the limelight. You do your spiel, just come back home.
So what do we call him if you become like? What if you one day become CM? Then does he?
No, I'm
first
not
husband?
becoming. No,
How
no.
do you, why? You're very young for politics.
Listen.
Long road ahead.
Oh, do you think so? We know our age.
I'm a big fan of females in politics. I think women should run the country.
But I have to tell you one thing
I think
there.
I 100% tell you.
I'm very happy that in this municipal corporation election, do you know, Shiv Sena has 90 seats in Mumbai, of which 63 are women
What are
candidates.
you saying?
63.
And that's much more than the others?
Yes, and that's because of Eknath Shindeji's vision.
I'm telling you, after the pandemic, I realized that the difference in the maternal instinct of the woman, just naturally most women, as against men who are just basically selfish by nature, it's like chalk and cheese. And the world would be better if we had more female leaders.
Yes.
Look at Angela Merkel.
Yes.
I
But
do-
also, the one problem with women leaders is when they get a position of power, look at their track record.
Are you talking about Bengal?
No.
Where did that come from? It scared me, yeah.
No, I feel
Without
few
taking
things.
names, give me some hint, yeah.
No, I think
Who's
that
track
people
record?
women should support women first, for starters,
yeah.
when they come to power.
It's more
because
empathy. More empathy
much
for
more,
people, you know.
Much more. But they need to support each other internally,
Oh, that
which
way.
is that is
Yeah.
a very big issue.
Yeah.
And second, when they come to positions of power, they mustn't misuse it at all. They are very conscientious, but there are lots which have grave cases of corruption, etc. And I'm not in any.
But I don't think that would be any
competition here.
different in
To
any
any field,
Yeah,
any field.
I think people should understand that also. We overdo the whole thing about. I mean, I'm sure the medical field is the same, films are the same, everything is the same. It's the way human nature is. Now let's talk about the campaign now. So explain to us what a campaign really is, because you were saying offline, and I'm quite impressed actually that the hard yards that one has to do physically, mentally.
So I have to tell you that the two professions which are very, very tiring and very, very taxing. One is the film career, because people don't realize what a film star puts into being what
The
he
long
or
hours,
she is.
yeah.
But even harder than that is politics, because 24/7 you're on call. There's no saying that abhi main so rahi hu, abhi main kha rahi hu.
Madam is having bath.
No,
Bollywood's biggest excuse is Madam is having bath.
आता तुमच्या तिथे आले तेव्हा खिचडी खाल्ले गाडीमध्ये.
Really?
Yeah,
That
we
bad?
always do it like that. Yeah. You say we carry everything. What you carry in the morning is what you go
Let
back
me ask
home
your
with.
campaign manager sitting right there.
Amit.
Madam is eating on the go, eating in the gadi and all that? Yes. No time for stopping, eating properly, refreshing?
Never, not today.
Wow.
And another thing that one has that's immaterial. What are we doing? That's more important. So what we choose to do in every election, like the BMC election is right now in question because since 2017 there hasn't been an election. On the 15th, please all citizens come out and vote, because only if you vote can you criticize. Otherwise,
Absolutely.
you will only be discussing at cocktail parties and with your friend circle and saying how bad the situation is, but you can only be
Coming back to the first point, please vote. As we end, we'll go into that
Yeah.
in a big deal. Why were the elections not held?
so
And is there a nefarious or negative reason for
there
that?
there are 2-3 things I'd like to comment on. A lot of people have been talking about these unopposed candidates who have won. I want to tell you that if you have an election, you have a candidate and you have a candidate in
Right.
front. Now, if the opposite party does not field a candidate, obviously you win unopposed. And just to bring to record, in Parliament, there have been cases where 35 members of Parliament have won unopposed without fighting elections.
In the center? Lok Sabha?
In the center, in the Lok Sabha, of which 33 have been Congress. This is in the past. I'm citing examples.
We pulled no punches.
Yes.
It took us, 30 minutes almost into the program, but attacked the Congress.
No, but the point is that, when they say that, there's money power and there's this and that, first look at your own organization. These Thackeray brothers, who we know, good luck to them, and I'm glad they've come together. But what is their vision plan for Mumbai? Where is their organization and where are their karyakartas? If their karyakartas were there, they would have filled their forms, stood for those elections, and we would have fought. And then public
I'm
would have
confused.
decided.
You're saying they did not send the candidate?
They did not field candidates.
Why didn't they field the candidate?
That's their own strategy. And now they're crying foul to say that we used money to make sure that they don't stand. Now, I want to say that this is not the first time that you've had unopposed candidates. If it happened in a Lok Sabha election, how can you cry foul? And if you are strong in your own organization, put up loyal soldiers who will stand by you.
But
and who
there's
will
also
not.
strategy, right?
Yeah,
If you
it's
don't
strategy.
but you don't feel a candidate where you feel you're not doing too well.
Yes.
And you save all your money and power for the ones where the battle is going to be
Yes.
more in your favor. So it's possible that sometimes you don't feel the
Yes.
candidate because you want to win in the others. And win.
And the other request, Cyrus, which I think we must discuss, is this vote bank politics. Everything is so caste driven. Like all along when you debate, you're talking about Marathi Manus, non-Marathi Manus. Now, we have a lot of pride in our culture, in the Marathi Manus, Marathi Asmita, Marathi Abhiman. If at all it was my leader, Eknathji Shinde, that got the Abhijat Darja for language, that's Marathi Bhasha, and other states haven't even followed. If you have a mayor, obviously it's going to be a Marathi Manus, it's going to be somebody from the Mahayuti. If you go to Tamil Nadu, you won't have a Marathi mayor there.
Right.
You will have a son of the soil. So why shouldn't we have the same in Maharashtra? A lot has also been said about these kind of jibes that, you looted us and you looted our party. There's a democratic process. When Eknathji Shinde pulled out of the then Shiv Sena. What was his reason? He said, I'm not comfortable with the Congress and the NCP. This has never been the Vichardhara or the ideology of Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray. His vision plan was always to take the path of saffron, but to take the path of saffron by taking people along and never to align with the Congress and the NCP. And look at how the irony is. Today, the Ubata Sena has chucked the Congress and now is with Raj Thackeray, who they criticized for 20 years. And
But
now
that's
they have
politics,
come.
na,
That's
Shaina?
great for them. Great
But
for
isn't
them.
that politics? Today's your enemy, tomorrow is your
But
friend.
you cannot only be voting on the premise of caste, creed, culture, language. You have to vote on development, progress. Because only if there is progress can you coexist and emerge as a society. Otherwise, I'm not going to say that, oh, he's my Parsi vote bank, he's my Muslim vote bank, she's my Maharashtrian vote bank. It doesn't work like that and should not be like that. If you take everyone along, I'm not saying you shouldn't have pride about who you are and about Maharashtra, because Sanyukta Maharashtra, the entire movement is why we are who we are
Correct.
today. And
Which
look
we
at
studied in
Mumbai's-
college.
Yes.
Yeah.
And look at Mumbai's contribution to the world economy. Look at the Mumbai's contribution to making India the fourth largest economy in the world.
Who's third?
We will be third soon, shortly.
Oh, wow. If she wins, we are third. So better vote quickly. Send us to the top. I want to ask you, what kind of things do they say? Because when you're actually talking to people, because you're doing hardcore, old-fashioned, door-to-door meeting with people, Aam Aadmi in front of you. So what are the requests? Both the bizarre and the interesting ones.
So for women, I think it's only 3 issues.
Toilet.
No. Education, security, and to be financially empowered.
On their own.
On their own. That's why Ladki Behan Yojana connected with them, because
Correct.
every woman who got 1500, she could start a small tiffin service at home, a mehndi class, a stitching the unit, whatever. And she could use that to make her life better in every sense. Education and security are the two issues.
What does security mean?
Like, for example, if you have a girl who's going home late at night and she wants to
Oh,
go
that.
back home, etc., you need CCTV cameras, you need protection, you need better public transportation. Today, we have 5,000 electric buses which have been announced. Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde have announced that 17,000 crores of the BMC budget. BMC budget, by the way, is only 60,000 crores.
Wow.
It's the 5th largest municipal corporation in Asia.
Wow.
And the most moneyed. And that's why this election has been.
Can I go to the BMC for funding for my TV show? I'm looking at 2 crores. We'll do it in 2, maybe 3. Chalo, 3. So we can have a little party. I don't want to eat in the car like China. I want to eat properly. Yeah, at different stops. Yeah. So you were saying, so the request was security, protection, if you like.
Education, because that also empowers you,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And that's for women. Then if you ask a common citizen when you go campaigning, they'll say, Mala pani paije.
That's really?
Yeah. They want clean water, and that is yet an issue. And that has a lot of challenges also, because given the kind of population, today we have almost it's sad, but we have 1.5 crore people who are talking about pani, raste, khadde. So Eknath Shinde, his main challenge and his main project which he's taken on is a khadde mukt Mumbai, which means a pothole free Mumbai.
Yeah.
25 years, all they have
As
done
different
is
from a
put,
pothole for free Mumbai,
Yeah.
which some older governments had. Yeah.
So all they have done in the past is the contractors have been hand in glove with the BMC, where they take money and they don't spend it on how a road should be treated. Like, for example, they just put something on top.
I thought
and
that's like
not
a
below.
joke. That really
Yes,
happens.
Yes, but you know what Eknath Shinde has done? I
Yeah.
mean, phase 1 and phase 2 have already been completed, because Mumbai has 1,224 kilometers of road. That's a lot. Of which 700 in the first and second phase we have taken on, and they are khade mukt. And what we have done is there are tunnels below, like utility ducts. So every time you have a challenge, you don't have to keep digging the road and inconveniencing people, and you work through a tunnel. So the best of systems, IIT experts, engineers are a part of this entire initiative.
When you say IT expert, could it be Arvind Kejriwal? Because he's also an IT grad. And he's not in pass, he has the time. Is it possible you call him, Arvind, bhai, thodi madad karo, and he comes here.
No, we're
Just
not
kidding, just
interested
kidding.
in copy pasting
Kidding.
that.
But do they
model.
ask for personal favors? I would
No.
think when you're talking to them, your constituents, do they like say, my son has to get into school, for example?
Yes, a lot of people.
So then how
do ask.
because you would love to help, but there's no way to
Yes.
help people with those specific
Yes.
favors. So what would
but
you
you
do?
do need to help sometimes
how?
if there are many ways. I mean, like for example, if it is a particular school which just does not take students, obviously that's their
You can't do anything,
rule.
yeah.
But there are lots of schools where they do have a quota and they oblige certain political leaders. I'm not saying that should be the practice either, but education is something that you want to help everyone for, right? So wherever you can make that call, and if it helps someone, why not? I feel that the reason I'm in politics is to impact lives, and if I am able to impact lives and people remember me, like so many people when I meet them, they say, "Oh, ताई, तुम्हाला आठवण नाही 20 वर्षाच्या आधी माझी मुलगीचं ऍडमिशन तुम्ही केलं." So I said, कसं? हे तुमचं पत्र घेऊन गेले आणि त्यांनी दिलं.
Oh, wow.
So it helps them, right?
God works in mysterious ways
Yeah.
to help people get together.
Yeah.
But before we suddenly run out of time, I need to my pet peeves. I know these are not the things you're going to get because people have bigger problems like from toilet to education to security, etc., etc. Fair enough. But what can we do about people breaking one ways? Can you please? This drives me nuts. Every morning I'm abusing. I've become very toxic. I drive the car in the morning, early morning. The bikes keep coming into the one way in the lane I live in, and there's just no stopping it. We call the cops. They come and do a 2-hour thing once in a while and catch them, and that's it. But it's it just continues.
So maybe you can write to our transport minister, Pratap Sarnaik ji, and tell him that this is
Call him, na
particularly.
Shaina. I have to make you. Oh God. लिखने का
Okay.
time नहीं है आजकल यार.
Okay.
Who's going to do that? But
I will put
can I
in a
just say I'm very
request.
anti motorbikes. I just wanted because you're the closest to now leadership
But you
that I have.
can't do anything.
No, they don't get caught. There are no challans come to them. They just break the red light. They break the one ways. They break whatever. It's obvious that the camera's not catching them.
I think that we need to raise many awareness campaigns.
No, I understand priority-wise this is
And-
ridiculous for you, but I
yeah.
have no other person to talk to. And
Okay.
people are sick of listening to me complain to the camera.
Okay.
So that's it. Please, if you
Okay.
could just look
I
at
will
it.
look at it.
So my two issues, again I'm telling you,
Yes.
the bikes, breaking everything. And if you can ask Eknath ji very nicely and softly, if he can just move the people a little bit away from our lane so that we can walk out in peace. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I will tell you, once you meet him, you will be so charmed. You'll say, even I want to come to your house and just be a part of this whole darshan, because he's genuinely a mass leader. And his vision for Mumbai, his heart beats for Maharashtra. And I'm so glad that people have shown so much faith in him. We fought only 80 seats for Vidhan Sabha elections and we won 60. And people said that, when he left the original Shiv
Shiv Sena.
Sena, he said that nobody will stay with him, nobody will come. The numbers have only increased at every given chance. In the Sthanik Swaraj election, that is the Nagar Panchayats, we had only 27 Mahapurs, the mayors, in the past. And today we've crossed 53 and heading towards 70 in alliances with
So
everyone.
you're saying the momentum of the Eknath Shinde faction is far ahead of everybody else's.
No, it's likewise with the BJP. BJP is also doing phenomenally well, but the Mahayuti together is doing a great job.
But coming back to the entire symbol fight and all that happened between the two factions, it's very confusing also. Like for a lot of people who don't follow politics, when they go to vote, the symbols are similar, etc., etc.
No,
Who has the bow and arrow? Who's got? I mean,
Eknath Ji Shinde is the real Shiv Sena with the Dhanushaban. Dhanushaban, Dhanushaban, Dhanushaban
Okay.
is Eknath Ji Shinde, and we're all part of that movement. There are other parties who have chosen other symbols. And don't get confused, do your due diligence, but make sure on the 15th you don't treat it as a holiday and you make sure you vote, because that's a fundamental right. Only if you vote can you criticize.
and your constituency is?
South Mumbai.
South Mumbai, which is the horrible record in all forms of elections, all types of elections. People just don't come out, so please come out. And there are a lot of people who are, from your background, who don't, or
Yes.
our background rather,
Yes.
who just don't turn up.
Yeah.
Garmi both hai, where will the driver park, all the elite problems.
No, but it's
Yeah.
important for all Mumbaikars to vote. Why limit it to a
I think this election is the most important election for
Yeah.
the Mumbaikar. The other elections actually, honestly, are token elections for us. This is the meat and potatoes elections
Yes.
where the person, the candidate will make a difference if they
Yes,
want to.
yes. Yes.
with the help of the bureaucracy and change a few things here and there. Shaina, when you win, I'm sure you're going to win, and after this podcast you're winning. I can call you up for favors,
Yes.
personal favors here and there. I
Personal.
mean, booking in restaurant, and all. Zyada kuch nahi. If I want to clear immigration quickly, hello Shaina, straight away through. Are you close to Milind?
Yes, of course.
Because both
he's
of you are
in
in the same party now. Yeah,
same
yeah,
party.
yeah.
But we're in
And
the
similar,
same
again, similar
party.
backgrounds,
Yes,
famous fathers,
yes. And
legacy.
both our fathers were friends.
Friends, yeah.
Yes,
There you go.
yes,
There you
yes.
go. So then I guess I'll have to give my vote to you because I like both of them. For me, it's a personal thing, not a party choice. But that whatever works, right? Doesn't really matter.
Everyone does their own job.
Yeah.
Some people are in the organizational space, some people are in the electoral space. And collectively, the vision is clear that politics has changed so much. It's become so competitive, but at the same time, transparent practices, because the media has made everyone on tenterhooks when it comes to, your own credibility. And I think that credibility you must
The
maintain.
thing is, you guys are seen all the time, not
Yes.
like in the past.
Yeah.
So 24 hours, I mean, that is a challenge.
It's very tiring.
No, and I said that immediately. You're looking so fresh and you've already been working. The whole day is, I mean, this is halfway. It's the halfway mark.
Yeah.
So obviously you enjoy what you're doing. That's very clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's as I said, politics is my passion and fashion's my profession.
I'm going to ask you another slightly dangerous question. But after this civic elections, this election, that election, can we see you actually going maybe to the center or, a more active role in the center? You think that can ever happen? Why not?
So let me say something.
Yeah.
That in politics, luck also matters.
Okay.
And a lot of it is your bhagya. So I've left it to the divine and divine intervention.
But deep down, you don't mind
whatever
becoming
God
a...
has charted for me, it's fine. I'm very grateful that I've reached so far.
Because the bungalows in Delhi are much bigger.
Oh, are they?
You're living in a small flat here. Mukhya Mantri, this, that, kuch nahi hai. Go to Delhi. Even the secretary, under secretary he's got a cricket pitch and all. They live like gods here. Just think about that. I'm just putting it out there. Yeah.
If I have a home in Delhi, you'll definitely be invited.
Please, you'll keep me with the security outside, but still.
But another core issue for us this time, and we've written out to all our NGOs saying that please give us issues that you want highlighted, and one of which is stray dogs. So I know that's a topic.
Please,
that's close
please.
to your
Unfortunately,
heart.
the Supreme Court it's not going in our favor for most of the time. But like I tell people, the fight is on forever. I know you do a lot with plants as well, so you're very much environmentally
and
friendly
plants,
person.
We've started this movement of adopt a plant. So any Mumbaikar wants to adopt a plant, please reach out to us. Our NGO is registered and is at Girgaon Chopati, Giants Welfare Foundation, second floor, Orient Club. You can reach out, adopt a plant.
Orient Club, Marine Drive. Don't take the
Yes.
coastal road, you'll miss it. Yeah.
And you can adopt a plant and please be connected with us. I
And
really believe
and you have
that
these
if
plant
join us-
nurseries once or twice a year,
Yes,
which are very
yes.
for our part of the world is
Yeah,
very famous.
yeah.
But for those from
Indoor, outdoor
if you're
plants,
interested
yes.
to visit those,
Yes.
if you're real plant lovers like my wife is, that's why she married me.
Yeah, I actually met her at Mumbai
can't-
Mazila
It
plant.
breaks our marriage when
Yeah.
she discusses plants. There's
Yeah.
things that you can't talk about beyond a point.
Yes.
But she's really into that completely. But I think that's fantastic because that's something you've been doing from the beginning. Just
Yes.
pushing. I get scared they'll take away our flora and fauna. Without that, what is the
But
city?
I think we as Mumbaikars are much more inclined to take on challenging situations and fight it. Like even if you look at the coastal road, don't look at it just in terms of infrastructure. Look at the kind of green patches that are going to be available to citizens. I mean, the sewage treatment plant that is the pet project of Eknathji Shinde. All along we used to just dump everything into the sea without treating it. Now with these sewage treatment plants, you will have beautiful, clear blue sea, which we never had before in Mumbai.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a
and in
that's a big
fact,
thing. If that
it's a
doesn't
big
happen,
one.
China,
It's
we'll
a
be in
big
trouble.
one. Yes,
Well,
no,
I've
it's a
grown
big
up.
one.
We both grown up here. There's never been a blue sea.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
there will be. There
Wow.
will be. And in fact, the amount of focus on green initiatives, climate change, electric buses, how to reduce carbon emission, these are not just taglines. This is trial tested done.
Also, encourage work from home, no? So less people come out. I mean, I think that's such a simple solution.
No, but if you come out, you can cycle your way through too.
I don't have the legs for it.
No?
I used to. It's too dangerous. A couple of requests before we wrap up. I know you need to go, and I'm going as fast as I can. We will end by asking you to vote. But is it possible for me to get, if you can ask Eknathji, if I can get Willingdon membership? I mean, do something. We go back a long way. We have so much in common and all. Do
Don't
something
tell me you're not a Willingdon
No,
Club
Bombay
member.
Gym CCI. No Willingdon.
Okay, so Willingdon, you're my guest.
Yeah.
Come as my
My
guest.
daughter loves the club, yeah.
Let her come as
So
my
Kunal
guest.
takes her all the time, but there's a limit to how much.
No, but you can do 4 times a month. with
Something
me
like that.
too.
So you have to stick
Yeah.
to that. Okay, sometimes it's 5, but why bring it up here? Don't bend the rules. Coming back, China is standing for elections. We've recorded
I'm not
this.
standing for
Sorry,
elections. My party.
campaigning for
Sure,
elections.
yeah.
The elections the polls are on the 15th. We shot this a few days earlier. 15th, right?
Yes, 15th is voting day, 16th are the results.
Yeah.
Think, do your due diligence on whichever candidate is best suited to serve you.
Why can't you just say vote
and
for
your
my
concern.
candidate?
I can. I
Isn't
can
that
just-
you're not allowed to?
I mean, if it's been
I know it's
by
an
the
unclassy
12th
thing for some
no,
people to do,
it-
maybe, but
no, I
but,
can say it.
But I mean, what are we here for? Yeah.
Okay. So I'm Shaina NC from the Shiv Sena, Adarnya Eknathji Shinde. Please vote for the Dhanushyaban. And where there isn't a Dhanushyaban, vote for the BJP's Kamal. BJP and Shiv Sena in an alliance, and Mahayuti is contesting all 29 municipal corporation elections on the 15th of January. And if you really want development for Mumbai and Maharashtra, please vote for the Mahayuti.
So the Mahayuti has basically endorsed the program. So now we can make fun of the government.
Yeah.
Because now we're all friends. अब तो ठीक है, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं ना, no problem. God, Shaina, thanks a lot. All right, pleasure having you here.
Thank you,
We'll get you back
Cyrus.
when you're less in a hurry and talk about your life completely whenever you have the time.
Sure.
Shaina.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.